At first glance, this looks like an ordinary small apartment. But hidden behind this transformation are 6 design decisions that completely change the way the space is experienced. Nothing was expanded. The floor area stayed exactly the same, yet every room now feels larger, brighter, and far more functional. Let's break down the 6 interior design strategies that made it happen and see how small changes can create a big impact. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Design idea number 1, warm wall colors. Let's start with the walls. The apartment originally featured a cool gray finish that gave the space a clean and modern look. While the color looked sleek, the cooler tone made the interior feel flatter and less welcoming, especially in a compact apartment. So, to improve this, the walls were updated with a soft moccasin beige textured finish. This warmer shade blends naturally with the light wood flooring, creating a more seamless flow throughout the apartment. The subtle texture also adds depth without making the walls feel busy, creating a calm and inviting atmosphere. Even though the layout and furniture stayed exactly the same, the apartment instantly feels larger and welcoming. This transformation proves that switching from cool wall colors to soft, warm tones is one of the simplest ways to make a small apartment feel bigger and brighter. Design idea number 2, clear space separation. Moving on, let's talk about the layout. Before, the apartment relied on a completely open layout where the bedroom, living room, dining area, and kitchen all blended into one space. At first, this open feel helped the space look bigger. They can also make it feel disorganized when there are no visual boundaries between functions. The sleeping area was exposed to the living room, the dining area blended into the walls, the kitchen felt disconnected, and the living area had no clear definition. So, to fix this, we introduced simple zoning elements without building any permanent walls. First, an arched partition with linen sheer curtains adds privacy to the bedroom while still allowing light and airflow. Next, the dining area uses a lighter wall finish to subtly separate it from the rest of the space. This simple treatment defines the dining zone without taking up extra floor area. In the kitchen, a full-height cabinet with a space for fridge was added beside the cooking area, improving storage and making better use of vertical space. In the living room, an area rug was placed under the coffee table, ottoman, and sofa. It helps anchor the seating area and clearly marks the living space. None of these additions reduce the apartment's usable area, but together they create clear separation between each function. As a result, the apartment feels more streamlined, more efficient, and easier to move around in, even though the floor area stays exactly the same. Design idea number 3, smart dining setup. Next, let's look at the dining area. Before, the dining area has a rectangular dining table paired with larger dining chairs. While functional, the table's long edges and sharp corners occupied more visual space and created tighter circulation around the dining area. The bulky chairs also added visual weight, making the apartment feel more crowded than it actually was. Because the dining set sat between the living area and the entryway, it became a dominant element in the room and made movement feel slightly restricted. So, the rectangular dining table was replaced with a round pedestal dining table and upholstered dining chairs with a lighter profile. The absence of corners makes it easier to move around the table, which helps a lot in a small apartment where every inch matters. The slimmer chairs reduce visual clutter and create a lighter appearance, helping the dining area blend more naturally with the surrounding spaces. The round shape also improves the overall balance of the room by softening the straight lines of the walls, cabinetry, and storage units. As a result, the dining area feels more open, circulation becomes smoother, and the apartment gains a better sense of flow without increasing its floor area. This shows that choosing the right furniture shape can often make a bigger difference than simply choosing smaller furniture. Design idea number 4, wall-mounted storage. In this setup, the TV wall relied on a bulky console that stretched across the base of the wall. While it provided storage, the cabinet occupied valuable floor space and created a heavier appearance. That's why the bulky console was replaced with a floating wall-mounted TV console paired with overhead cabinets with an open shelf. Lifting the storage off the floor instantly creates the illusion of more space by exposing more of the flooring below. The floating design gives the TV wall a lighter, cleaner appearance while still providing plenty of concealed storage for everyday items. The new overhead cabinetry takes advantage of unused vertical space, adding even more storage without increasing the furniture footprint. Integrated LED lighting beneath the cabinets also highlights the TV wall, making it feel more polished and visually balanced. As a result, the entertainment area looks cleaner, more spacious, and better organized while maintaining the same floor area. This shows that using wall-mounted furniture is one of the easiest ways to maximize storage while making a small apartment feel larger and less cluttered. Design idea number 5, foldable work setup. Moving on to the workspace. The working area used a standard desk and office chair that permanently occupied valuable floor space. While functional, this made the workspace feel bulky and reduced the flexibility of the area. To make the space more flexible, the standard desk was replaced with a wall-mounted foldable table paired with a compact folding chair. When opened, it provides a workspace for work, study, or laptop use. When done, the table and chair can be folded away to free up floor space. The foldable design also keeps the room looking cleaner by reducing visual clutter and preventing the workspace from becoming a permanent focal point. As a result, the apartment becomes more adaptable, offering a dedicated work area only when needed while keeping the rest of the space open and uncluttered. This shows that multifunctional furniture allows a small apartment to perform like a much larger home without sacrificing comfort or functionality. Design idea number 6, multi-use furniture. The living and sleeping areas relied on separate pieces of furniture, including a standard sofa, a poof ottoman, and a regular bed. While each piece served its purpose, they also occupied valuable floor space and offered limited functionality. In a compact apartment, having furniture with only one use can quickly make the space feel crowded and reduce storage opportunities. To improve this, the selected furniture was upgraded with space-saving pieces. During the day, the sleeper sofa provides seating for relaxing or guests. At night, it easily turns into an extra bed when needed. The poof was replaced with a storage ottoman that adds seating and hidden storage, helping keep the living area neat and clutter-free. The built-in bed now has drawers underneath, keeping linens and seasonal items easy to access without extra furniture. As a result, the apartment feels more functional without feeling crowded. Every main furniture piece has multiple uses, helping the home adapt to daily needs while still looking clean and spacious. This shows that in a small apartment, multifunctional furniture is not just about saving space, it's about making every piece more useful for comfort and function. This transformation proves that making a small apartment feel bigger isn't about adding more space, it's about making smarter design choices. From using lighter wall colors and creating clear zones to selecting better furniture, each simple change worked together to create a home that feels brighter, more practical, and comfortable. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these 6 design strategies would you try in your own home? Let us know in the comments below. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.